Hey guys, Michael from Countryside Reptiles here. Got a little video for you guys today. I just got a package from Luke Edwards from Reptile Nexus. It's a 100% het pied male and a possible het pied female. He couldn't guarantee the genetics on the female because he got her from Craigslist, but I'm cool with that. I like possible het pied, so we'll see what goes on. So let's get these babies unpacked. There's the logo. Sorry if I still sound asleep. I just woke up a little bit ago. Get the label. A little sign in there. Invoice. That's all the info on there. I'll keep that for my records. Then here is the paperwork for the male pad from Salone. Right there. Genetic guarantee right there. Sorry, I got a shitty camera. There we go. So let's crack it open. Nice. Luke, I like your packing, man. I think it really can't move around a whole lot. Same way I do it. I need a taper. That's one of the fun. Well, the male's alive. He's moving. That's good. Female's moving too, so she's good. There we have the female. Pause that fine girl. She's all good. She's pretty. Little girl. I'll get her breeding this season. Let's get her in her shed real quick. Desmond wasn't getting out of there. And then here's the head pad male. Check out his belly. Train tracks. That's good. Pretty good size too. Alright, I'm home now, and Reptile nexus. Here's your little update. She's just took a rat from me, so she's gonna be fine here. So she's eating. And I got one down here for the male too. And he's about to get her. Alright, there we go. Good boy. So, dude, they're going to be just fine. So, I definitely recommend Reptile Nexus to anybody who thinks about buying from them. You got some great animals. So, thanks, man. It'll be a good addition to Team Countryside. So, take it easy. And, I'm going to pause the video here and resume it later. Michael from Countryside Reptiles. What y'all just saw before was an unboxing video for my male head pod and pause head pod female. They just came in this morning. It's 8:30 at night now. They actually just got done eating. They ate a rat, shipping day and everything, so they're going to be good. So this I'm going to try it within 10 minutes. So it's a shitty camera, I know. I'm working on getting another one, so if you can't hear me or the picture quality is horrible, my bad. You know, not everybody can afford a $500-600 camera, so this is going to be a collection update, and let's get to it. Alright. Going mobile. Alright, here we go, the adult normal number 3. You can see her right there. I'll make this quick. I'll do a better one some other day. This is pastel female number 1. This is Athena. It's the adult normal number 2 in the shed right now. The pastel number 2 that just shed and pooped from me, so that sneaks into the collection that I keep. Actually, I might still have it. That's her. I'll clean that up after the video here. And this is the Xanthic, who is in shed. That's the Xanthic. I know she looks bad. The Joliflon, Posset albino for snow. Everybody says that they brown out. This one's... let's get my scale real quick. I'm trying to make this quick. Sorry if my camera works shitty. Here we go. 610 grams. Still hasn't started browning out yet. Sorry, John. I thought she was 800 if you were watching. Pastel number 3. I think she has like a jungle pattern to her. This is subadult female number 1. She's about 900 grams. That's that right there. I like her because she gets a really unique look to her. She doesn't really look normal, so I'm going to dink around with her. Plus she has... I'm going to get her to stretch out here. She has some pretty nice pod markers too, so I'm going to dink around with her a little bit and see what comes out. Put her in there. And this is an adult female number 1. Oop, that's Big Mama. Just about dropped her everywhere. Back up there. Still not used to these tubes. Yeah, she's huge. She's like 3,200 grams. This is BB, my pet clown female. She's in there. Most of these in here are normals except for that. That's my jungle boa.
show him this way. I can't really see him, the light's horrible. There's him. Normal, normal, normal. All these are normals, that's a normal. That's my spider female I hatched out on 3/22. She's really nice. Here we got Buddy, my Craigslist posset pied. Dante, my spider. There's him. And I got my pinstripe. Well, actually, no, this isn't a pinstripe. This is the posset pied girl that I just got in today from Reptile Nexus. This is the 100% pet pied male. I'm going to show him the belly. I want to bite my ass. There's train tracks on him. 100% guarantee I got his paperwork around here somewhere. A het clown male. Cinnamon male. BHB line. Nobody wants to hiss. Cinnamon. My pastel male, Tank. There's my pinstripe. Then we got my bumblebee. He's really nice. It's camera suits. Then we just got the pet, lavender albino king snake. Mr. Lav, as we call him. Bearded dragons, Lucio and Bernardo. I clean your tank later. This is going to be my future Tegu cage once I get it done. Countryside Reptiles incubator. Old freezer that I converted. 12-inch flex swat down the back. Goes out the old hole. CPU fan up top. CPU fan down the bottom. Water balls. I'm actually using this for mealworm breedings right now. Oh, look, there we go. We got another alien to put in the group. Do that real quick. There's the bunch of aliens all in the holes there. Put him in there. Up there. This rack doesn't have any snakes in it right now. I'm just using it for storage until I can get another plug to plug it up to this thermostat here. Tub with the mealworms in it. Yummy food. Yeah, I got these metal shelves. I like it. I estimate I can probably fit 15 clutches or so in there. Maybe more. So it'll last for a while. Thermostats. Got the however the hell you say that, I'm tired. Electronics V200. It's actually really nice. They got the time, the probe, the temperatures, and then they got daytime temp. We'll come back to that. Helix runs this one. Little thing you get from Petco runs my little baby rack for now. If you're all wondering about this little girly box, this is actually where I keep my Baytril for my collection. If any of them ever gets a respiratory infection, I do know the dosage, so I can give them their own meds when I need it. And let's pause this and go check out the rat shed. There we go. Alright. Rat shed. I'm using this little spotlight here. Air conditioner, got it completely insulated. Pink board. Because of the cracks up in there, so I gotta do that. But, see if I can zoom this out a little bit. Here's the racks I made. There's one big one here. Bucket. Another one here. 5-tubber. I control the air conditioner with a Renko there. I got it set to 80, so I have to kick on here in a minute. You'll be able to hear it. Maybe. Make a liar of me. Any minute. There we go. Yeah, once it gets to 80, it cools down to 75. Got a fan in here too to go on while that's going. Yeah, production's pretty good right now. Got some babies in here. Got her in the back, mamas. You won't forget, I got a camera in my hand. Let's try it this way. There we go. Got some down here that are. She just had those babies. She's about to bust any time. Got some more babies over here. More babies up here. Production's a little slow right now. I had to retire, I guess is a nice way to put it, some breeders that weren't just producing as good. So they're in the freezer for Big Mama, as you saw before, my big normal female. Some more rats here. Some grow up future breeders there. Skittish little things. Oh, no, there's not. And then there's some more babies here. Yeah, this is the rat shed. It's a little bitty. My plans are to get rid of this big long one and just make about 5 more of these single stacks so I can stack them all across the wall right here to fit more in here, because this big one's really taking up way too much space right now. So I'll probably be building that sometime soon, and then probably selling this or just putting it at my mom's house until I can build me a bigger building for all of this. But that's just about it. So y'all have any ideas for future videos? I promise I'll get better at making them. I haven't really made too much videos before, and I'm really not that much of a public speaker because I tend to stutter a lot. But if you got any ideas, any questions, just feel free to comment down below. Comment down there, like, share it, maybe subscribe right there if you want to. But this season I'm hoping to have at least 4 clutches of eggs. So hopefully it's a good season for me. So until then, y'all just take it easy, and this is Michael Widener from Countryside Reptiles. See y'all later.